Hey, everybody. Welcome to another episode of The Good, the Bad, and the Spammy. My name is Morgan. I am an account executive here at Mixmax. So, in this series, we analyze real cold emails that we have received. And it just so happens that I received this one myself. So, overall, it is short, sweet, it's to the point. It's only 30 words total, and it doesn't use I or we anywhere in the email. So, starting with the subject line, feedback on your gong calls. The F is lowercase, felt very informal, grabbed my attention. Again, as an account executive, I'm always looking for more feedback. I'm always looking to get better and improve my craft. So, open up the email. What's this about? Hi, Morgan. How many gong calls do you get actionable feedback on? Great question. I get feedback, but could always use more. Stop waiting for your manager and start getting instant feedback from this personal AI sales coach. You know, without having to take the time out of my manager's day, my director's day, my VP's day, or my colleague's day to review my call and provide me with feedback, having a way to easily do that without taking those measures is very interesting to me. So overall, this was sent to an account executive, me, and I feel like it was tailored specifically for the persona that it was being sent to, which is fantastic. Again, it's short, it's sweet, it's to the point. The only thing that I might add is that there's no way to book a meeting. If there was a calendar link, if there was, some option within here where I could reach out to them and schedule a meeting without actually having to send an email. As we all know, many people that get emails like this are, email averse to replying. So that could definitely help with some response rates. But overall, it got me to open the email, grab my attention right away, grab my attention continuously throughout the email with as short of an email as it was. And kudos. So hope you all enjoyed this episode and thanks for your time.